This is a beautiful, amazing place, and we have been coming to this place since long. And every time I come to this place inspires us. Can you see this amazing, beautiful building? Awesome. Alishka, how are you? So tell me, Alishka, what do you want to do here? You want to walk?
Walk.
You want to walk?
Thank
Alishka, you're looking so cute.
you. My dad baby for you.
Okay, very good. So this is Alishka, and we are going to have a walk here, and we shall also show you some beautiful, nice views of this place in Pune. This is the place which has been a very, very close and important part of my videos, my writings, and the purpose which I have set, and that is to always get inspired by nature, always look for inspiration in whatever surrounds me, always inspire people to do something big, and always think big and keep on reaching up. So friends, let me show you this place better. And this is a nice, amazing sunset here in IT Park, Phase 1, Hinjawadi. I have been coming to this place pretty often, and if you look down and scroll for more videos on my YouTube channel, Transformed You by Arun, you will find many videos which have been shot at this place. This is amazing Blue Ridge. This is an amazing sunset site. This is a golf course. This area is nothing but a golf course. It's a beautiful, nice area. When we came to Pune in 2006, I knew that I'm coming to the most beautiful, probably the most beautiful city in the country, and if you ask me, across the world as well. I love this place. It has got youthful spirit. You can feel people playing. It has got the feeling of adventure, trekking, sports, beautiful, nice greenery, sunset, and this amazing information technology look. This place is IT area, and this is very close to the place we stay, so we keep on coming here for driving. So today I thought of recording this video for all of you, and today I also reiterate and reinforce my conviction to show you more videos. The journey of greatness continues, and thank you so much for being there. So dosto, I recall when I took a decision to come to this part of the country in 2006, there was hardly one person who supported my decision to leave a large company nestled in the eastern part of India and take the risk of leaving the job of having joined as graduate engineer trainee direct from the campus in a large company, a job which was secure, which was safer, and come to a company which was a pretty new company, because when I came to Pune to join an organization, this organization was hardly just 2 years old. But let me tell you that every time in life you break a comfort zone, you gain something greater. And this experience which I got while working in a new, younger company, full of people who had joined from different cultural backgrounds, all coming to the city of Pune, has been amazing. And this taught me lots and lots of lessons which you can see in my books, My Picture, Marisburg Moment, as well as the Strawberry Farm. Both the books were possible because of me working in this beautiful, amazing city of Pune. Here is Divya. Let me show you the walkway. It's an amazing walkway, and we are in this beautiful part of Pune, which I always keep on shooting in some of the videos because this is so beautiful. This is natural, a place. So friends, I still recall the day in the year 2006 when my house was full with luggage which had been packed by courier agency, and my house was full with cartons and ropes and tapes, and that time I was just wondering whether this is the right decision of my life, because I was leaving a company which had taken me as a GET, and I had almost an assured career rise in that organization, and that was pretty large an organization that still is doing pretty well. But every bit of that experience of breaking the comfort zone has been worth it. Today I have become an author with 2 books on Amazon. And the 3rd book, which is about to be published. Today I have become a life coach. I have got my own podcast channel. I have got my own YouTube channel, which is going to grow only, which is going to grow absolutely. So in the year 2021, I'm going to upload at least 100 more videos on my YouTube channel, Transformed You by Arun. And I'm going to conduct lots and lots of webinars, thereby talking to at least 50,000 people in this year alone. I have got lots of ideas which I want to share with the people who are struggling to get direction in life. I want to help people who are struggling in the web of negativity which is woven around them. I want to help people with required motivation and inspiration so that they become unstoppable. They do not stop, they keep on moving ahead, and they keep on winning over their goals. And all of this is going to make this year 2021 much bigger, far greater, and far more fulfilling than previous years. And that's all because of this beautiful place called Pune. And that's also because I have been breaking my comfort zones with each passing year. So let me show you the view of this place. You can see some people being here. This is a nice garden which is beside a river, and this is the walkway through which we have been walking over last few minutes. And here is Divya and Alishka waiting for me. Alishka must be wondering as why Papa is not spending time with me and he is recording a video. But by now she has known that Papa is also into doing something which is going to make, I think, the surrounding better. Yes. Alishka, how are you? How are you? See you, bye-bye.